When it comes to home improvements, replacing your entry, patio, or interior doors can make a significant difference in appearance, security, and energy efficiency. If you're a homeowner in Layton, Utah, and considering a door replacement project, one of the first decisions you'll face is whether to do it yourself or hire a professional. Each approach has its own set of benefits and challenges. Before you pick up a hammer or schedule an appointment, here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of DIY versus professional door replacement to help you make the best choice for your home. DIY door replacement. The pros: cost saving. One of the most appealing reasons to go the DIY route is saving money on labor. Installing a door yourself means you'll only pay for materials and tools, which can significantly reduce upfront costs. Personal satisfaction. For handy homeowners, successfully replacing a door can be a rewarding project. You gain hands-on experience, develop new skills, and enjoy the pride of completing a home upgrade on your own. Flexible scheduling allows you to work at your own pace, without needing to coordinate with a contractor's schedule. This flexibility can be ideal for those who enjoy weekend projects or prefer to spread tasks over several days. DIY door replacement. The cons: lack of experience. Unless you've installed doors before, the learning curve can be steep. Poor measurements, uneven alignment, or improper sealing can lead to drafts and energy loss, security vulnerabilities, water leaks, or structural damage. Mistakes may end up costing more in the long run than hiring a pro in the first place. Tool requirements. Door replacement requires specialized tools like shims, levels, saws, and power drills. Purchasing or renting these tools adds to your costs, and improper use can damage the door or your home's structure. Time-consuming. A project that might take a pro a couple of hours could take you an entire weekend. If your time is limited or your home has multiple doors to replace, DIY might become overwhelming. Professional door replacement. The pros: expert installation professionals have the training, experience, and tools to ensure a precise fit, secure installation, and proper insulation. They'll handle unexpected issues like rotted framing or uneven walls quickly and correctly. Energy efficiency and performance. In a climate like Layton's, with hot summers, cold winters, and occasional snow, energy-efficient installation is essential. Pros ensure your door is sealed tightly to prevent drafts and keep utility bills in check. Warranty and peace of mind. Most professional door installations come with labor warranties and manufacturer guarantees, giving you confidence that if anything goes wrong, you're covered. DIY projects typically void these protections. Code compliance and safety. A professional knows local building codes and can ensure your installation meets safety and regulatory standards, especially for exterior and fire-rated doors. Professional door replacement. The cons: higher upfront cost. Professional labor adds to the cost of your project. However, many homeowners find that the long-term savings in energy bills, repairs, and stress outweigh the initial expense. Scheduling constraints. hiring a contractor means working around their availability, which might delay your project depending on demand and time of year. Final thoughts. Which is right for you? If you're handy, well-equipped, and working with a basic interior door, DIY might be a fun and cost-effective option. However, for exterior doors, specialty installations, or homes with structural quirks, hiring a professional in Layton is usually the safer, more efficient choice. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your comfort level, timeline, and budget. If you're unsure, reach out to a local Layton door replacement expert for a consultation. You might find that professional help saves you time, money, and future headaches.